everyone, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy. This is my meal prep for the week of July 29th through August the 5th. So this is an oldie but goodie, and when I first started meal prepping, I was exclusively using this half sheet for just pre-planning my meal plan before I put it into my household planner. But if you guys watched my plan with me from last week, you know Mr. Master Plan has put me on Operation Use What I Have. So I'm going to be using this Daydreamer weekly meal planner in a way that I haven't used it before. So as far as sticker books this week, I always use the food sticker book from Create 365. I'll be using that. But I'm also going to be using this Numbers foil sticker pack from Agenda 52. Have a couple of really cute stickers in here that I like. So one of the things I like to do, for those of you who have not joined me for a meal plan in the past, is I like to absolutely date, I like to pre-plan how much I think I'm going to spend on my budget. So here is my estimated budget. I have not gotten it down to $75 yet. I was very close last week. I was at like $76. But, you know, close but no cigar. But, you know, we're going to get there. I'm going to straighten this up a little bit. So how was you guys' week? My week was pretty good. It was just a little discombobulated, to be honest, because, you know, this meal plan, when you start doing it, or if you're planning at all, when you get off of your cadence, you know, it's kind of hard to get back on. So I had some adjustment issues this week. I think I'm going to use these black and gold stickers. Why not? So we'll do the 29th. Oops. Yes, I have grabbed my multi-purpose, multitasking tweezers. But these tweezers are totally the bomb, and I just dated this wrong because the 29th is Sunday, and I also told you the wrong dates. The week, so this meal plan is going to be for the week of 7:30 through 8:05. Let's try it again. So Monday's the 30th. Tuesday is the 31st. And Wednesday begins a new month. That is so super crazy. Like, this month has flown by. This year has flown by. And the statement, time waits for no one, is such a true statement. And you can tell by how quickly the months and even the years and the days fly by. All right. Now, this is looking better. So I am going to be using some oldies but goodies markers that I've had for a while. So I'm going to be using my Tombow twin tone markers, and this is from the pastels. This is from the pastels line. So these colors, and then I'm grabbing a black Papermate Flare in medium to also use. Okay, so I'm having a bit of a problem figuring out what we're going to eat. So one of the things that meal prep menu recipe I came across is the California Sushi Roll Bowl, and I'm super excited to try this menu because, or this particular recipe, because I've never tried it. So we would have that on Monday and Wednesday. So the California Sushi Roll Bowl. So my mission is to keep my meals creative enough so we don't get bored with this, because right now, like, we're totally enjoying it. Like, I am excited about meal prep. What I've also been trying to do, I do have a recipe planner, and this one is mine. If you've watched my previous videos, I've also made some for my daughter. So Kai, that just got married, I actually gave her recipe planner when she left. It wasn't full, but it is. It does have some of our family favorites in it. So for my meal prep, I have started to really build up for myself a collection of foods so that we should not have to repeat meals, because we're only doing 8 different meals a month if you think about it. So I'm really trying to keep it, you know, that variety there, that spice. So I don't know if I want to do a chicken pad thai. I thought about chicken pad thai. I thought that would be good because I've never made chicken pad thai. I think we're going to do that, the chicken pad thai meal prep. All right, let me set that aside. All right, let's put this for Tuesday. And next week, I think I will incorporate some beef. But these meals are like low calorie, they're full of protein. I just can't even complain. Okay. And for some reason, and Mr. Master Plan is taking these meals for lunch. So that is the craziest part about it. And we always have extra food. So on Fridays, it's typically an eat out night. So we're going to just put eat out here. All right. Saturday, we'll have some type of leftover because it's always some leftovers. They're always, like, I don't believe that there's always leftovers. And if not, we can grab a sandwich or something that's here in the house. All right. Now, Sunday, I have promised Mr. Master Plan I was going to make him some greens and a mac and cheese. I have not done that. I've done cabbage, I've done other things, but I've not made this man his greens. So I'm gonna make some collard greens. I'm gonna do mac and cheese. I have no idea what meat, but probably something on the grill. Like, I really want some riblets. We were supposed to get some riblets a few weeks ago, and I didn't, so we're gonna do riblets. And then I'll make him some yellow rice. Yummers. That sounds fantabulous. All right, so with the riblets, which the best place to get them are Sam's Club. They're about, cheapest pack I found is like $25 to $28. So with that being said, I'm going to raise my meal plan budget up this week to $100. I know I wanted to stay at 75, but I've had some really low weeks. So this should balance out. And I'm gonna put, this was our estimate. All right, and then we can put our actual. I'm gonna put another one of those stickers right over there to put our actual. Now let's cute this thing up just a little bit with a couple of stickers and just make it cute, you know? So definitely for the sushi portion, yeah, we are going to have sushi because our food sticker book has sushi. Let's see, where did it go? There it is. I passed it. I'm going to put this bowl of mac and cheese, even though you guys know that my mac and cheese does not look like this. You got to bake that thing in the oven. You cannot open any instant macaroni and cheese. But for the sake of these stickers, that's what we're going to do. So for our sushi rolls, we're going to just grab a couple of these different rolls and put on the various days. Let's just put a couple of ones. This is really looks like, reminds me of a California roll, these here. So let's put a couple of them, a little cluster on each of these. Put one here. Let's put one here. And then one here. All right. That's awesome. All right. Let's make it look like something so I can put this in my household planner and call it a day. So these washi tapes that I'm using are from the Happy Planner. They're the little thin washi tapes that they have available. And grab a ruler here. Okay, so this is our completed meal plan for July 30th through August 5th. And I'll have to let you know how these meals turn out. I will go ahead and link the recipes down at the bottom of this video, since I did have a few people request it. Like I mentioned before, my collection of meal plan recipes is getting quite thick. I think as of today I'm up to 24. So if you think that I only need I gave you the wrong number before. I need 2 a week, 2 different meals a week. So yeah, I gave you the right number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, 8 a month. So I have enough recipes so that we will not have to repeat meals for 3 months right now. So my goal is maybe to do 4 to 6 months of recipes if I can locate them. But I'll let you know how that search goes. And I'm sure as we continue through this process, we are going to have favorites that will end up being repeats. All right, well, how are you guys doing with your meal planning? And have any of you meal prepped, or are you a meal prepper? If so, if you have any tips for me, I absolutely am a sponge and would love to hear those tips. So if you comment below, that'd be awesome. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up. And I am on my way to grocery.walmart.com to place my order so I can pick up my groceries on tomorrow. Well, I hope you have a wonderful week, and it is productive and full of meals prepared with love for your family. Ciao, Bella.